We need to get a slider.
Really freaking torque these guys down.
This video here would look pretty sweet if you just did it slow-mo.
Yeah.
E-brake works.
Yeah, pretty sweet.
Where are your spacers at?
They're on the back. They're like seized on the back of the wheel.
You put anti-seize on those, right?
Yeah, why in the world would you do that?
Well, you should have apparently put it on both. Some people claim that anti-seize will make your wheels fall off.
Look at that. That's probably why we were getting a little squirrely on the highway.
Dang.
Look how weird that wore. Like, I don't know what. Wow, that's literally.
You're gonna cut your finger doing that.
Man. I don't know why it doesn't, like, it didn't wear in like a circular pattern. You know what I mean? Like, it was just, it's some spots. Like, I told Teddy that, and he's like, dude, you like ripping your e-brake? That's what it looks like. Like, holy shit, this is really bad. It wasn't that bad.
I don't even know how you, like, that's like just downright dangerous. Like, seriously.
Yeah, these back ones are bad.
Like, they don't even wear them down this much at the drift track.
Yeah, that's pretty low.
This is an all-time low. Yeah, watch you don't cut yourself on that.
Yeah.
I remember as a kid, I took a tire out of the back of the car and bounced it like a basketball, and it had those cords sticking out of it. Cut my hand all up.
Damn.
Yep.
As you just drop it and fucking curb it.
Hey! This is a family channel.
Hopefully they're not that much.
Look how they're smaller. Look at that. Look how small they are.
Look at that. Look how much wider they are. Those definitely. Are you kidding me, guy?
They're not wider at all. Look at it on the camera.
Look at it in real life.
Look at it on the camera.
You cannot tell me those
Look.
are not wider.
Nobody's gonna believe you.
That does look bad. Because you're looking at the wrong angle. Those definitely sit high.
You heard it here first, folks. They sit higher. You're just so dramatic.
I'm telling you, that little much is going to make a big difference.
You're over dramatic. I'm telling you, those other ones look way bigger. Heck of a sunset behind you out there.
Yep. I don't know if I should just take that screw out now and do that right now.
What screw? Just one screw?
Two bolts here. What you do is you pop them out and then you push the inner fender up on the top lip of the fender.
You do whatever you think you gotta do,
Do you
guy.
have T?
As long as you don't burn this one out like you did the S2000.
What?
Your tire.
Yeah.
That S2000's a rocket. That's gonna go right in your tire. Pick that up. You're gonna get that right in your tire, and then you're gonna blame me for your tires leaking. I feel like I keep getting all these bug bites. That door open. Or you could just let the tire do the work. It'll clearance itself.
Now it's like your fender will just cut right into your tire.
Nice. Well, those are self-rolling tires, I heard. Roll your fender. You definitely don't have as much stretch as you did on the other ones. A lot more road rash on the other ones too. Get your fingers stuck in there. I bet Teddy will probably be doing that mod next.
Teddy has so much wheel gap.
Probably get some rally contracts now.
You think so? Pretty close. I mean, there's definitely some hope going on. I don't know.
Now a chair's in the way. I don't know.
Is it touching? Yeah, it looks like it might be perfect. Man, it looks sweet though. I don't know, it's gonna be close. They're definitely thicker than the old ones. Let's take the hammer, sort of. Don't you got a baseball bat we can roll those fenders? Does it look like it's hitting?
It's not hitting anything.
It's not hitting, it's close. I wonder when you turn the wheel from the head.
It'll be fine.
Alright guys, so the last piece of the puzzle here is the center caps. So, I'm going to throw these on, and I'm going to give you guys the final kind of shakedown of the wheel tire setup and let you know everything that we did here tonight. So just give me one more second.
Okay. Turn your wheel. This side's got plenty of room.
That's not that's just the spring. That's not the
Yeah. It's got plenty of room.
All right, guys, so the wheels and tires are completely on the car. I think it looks really, really good. Really good. Not rubbing. We moved it up and down a little bit, back and forth. Turned the wheels. Did not get any rubbing. I did take out those fender screws, the fender screw mod everybody talks about. But like I said, these wheels are 18 by 8 plus 32 with a 235/40 18 tire on it with the Eibach Sport Lines, which is basically the lowest spring you can get. It drops at the lowest with just the springs. But they look really, really good. I think so. Man, we need to take some sweet pictures. Really clean. I cleaned the brakes while I was in there. But they look good. I'll probably do a little bit of a review on how they feel dropping 7 pounds per tire, per wheel I mean. So a total of basically 28 pounds less of unsprung weight. Which I was saying before, go into detail about sprung and unsprung weight. But looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think?
I heard that unsprung is really a multiplier.
But anyways, guys, if you have any ideas for the next mod, I'm thinking maybe front splitter side skirts, something like that.